Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to block unknown numbers message on Redmi 13C device. If you are always receive any message from unknown numbers, and then you can do the following steps to avoid it. First, you can go to the dial application, and then here you can tap settings icon at the top right corner. After that, here you can just block list options. Okay, and then you can make sure it is active like this. Well, and then here you can tap SMS block list. And then you can click this option, message from strangers. And then here you can select block. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block unknown numbers message on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.